Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, apologies for those who've been waiting for my new videos. I was kind of on a mini vacation since last Friday. I guess it's been almost 5 to 6 days without posting any new videos. If you were really there, thank you. You're one of the few, maybe aside from my mom, who watches my channel every day, and she just watches for the background. The main reason for my slack off was mostly due to kids. Unlike many of you, I do have a life, and two very cute, adorable, and annoying kids that I have to take care of, because that's what humans do. But those little turds are something that's super expensive. Like, they're probably one of the most expensive items that I've acquired in my entire life. And yep. All right, that probably will need to be edited out. Talking about kids in inhumane way, that's not tolerated on YouTube, I guess. I'm not very familiar with the YouTube policy, but anyways, let's look at the market, cryptocurrency, and there has been some really interesting development since the last couple of days, and most importantly, Ethereum, oh my goodness, right? Ethereum is making a breakthrough, reaching upwards to almost 38,000 for like a brief period of time, and then quickly drop down a little bit. And this is a very good bullish signal. And based on my understanding of the market, this probably mostly come from the super overheating NFT market. Like, it's crazy. You look at the transaction volumes on OpenSea and all that stuff. It's just crazy. All right. I, for one, haven't really bought anything like from the NFT level, but I will want to. But I'm not sure. This feels like, the gold rush in the early days, right? You buy something at dirt cheap, and in hopes for it to, the value to quadruple or 10x in the next few months. Well, it just feels like finding the next 100x power coin of sorts. But anyways. This is definitely a bullish sign. I love it. Bitcoin is also, it's still doing okay. I mean, it's not going down, at least. That's good. And it's slowly recovering from the previously already identified sort of, downward trend right here, which is good. It's trying to break out from the previous consolidation. But this big candlestick is definitely a good sign. I like it. I would say, just based on the chart, the market is doing pretty good. With Bitcoin hovering around 49,000 and 46,000. All the altcoins are making crazy gains. Look at FTT is at almost all-time high at 64, right? And Solana, it's being slowed down since it hit like 135-ish. And I lost some, but that's not the key point here. But the important thing is you're still on, you're still on the bandwagon. They're trying to shake you off. Try not to get shaken off. Just be patient. Let's dive into the market analysis and then set up our trading plans for today. So for those who are new to my channel, I do almost daily market analysis on cryptocurrencies and futures market. I probably should delete the futures market part because I don't really record videos when I'm doing that. This channel is mostly focusing on cryptocurrency market analysis, technical analysis type of stuff, and then I'll, or so me babbling about stupid things, beliefs that no one else will listen to, but that's not important. So without further ado, I'm going to go through the list of coins that I'm currently following very closely, and set up the trading plan for myself for the next few hours or the rest of the day. And just a quick disclaimer, what I'm talking about in this channel is not investing advices, right? Do not listen to me. I'm just sharing with you my opinions, and those are opinions, and they're for myself. And at the same time, there are probably, some opinions that for you to consider, but these are not advices. Do not follow them. Do not follow a random guy that you just met on the internet for, something that you would like that for something that's as important as investing, right? That's the least people should do. Just do not buy because you heard some random guy from the internet babbling some kind of shit about, something, right? So you make your own decision right there. All right. So having said that, let's dive into the market. I love it. Look at this. Look at this. So we're looking at the daily time frame right now. Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is, I always like Bitcoin first. Why not? So on the day, it looks okay. I mean, it's slowly trying to get out of the current consolidation. If you are anxious, I probably will trade grade. So basically, I'll just scalping from the bottom here to the top, and then I'll wait for it to drop to the bottom and then buy again here. Or if you are truly patient, like what I am, I will just go up, wait for the price to go break out, retest of 49,000. And if the retest is successful, I will get in here for a bigger growth, right? Something that I can hold longer. But that's just, for people who are patient. And of course, I'm not patient. That's why I'm having this day trading channel. I want to trade like 1 million times a day and make $1 million every minute. Why not, right? So in order for us to do that, we'll have to dive into the smaller time scale and look for trading opportunities if there's any, right? Because the market is doing good, I think there's definitely some trading opportunities within the next few hours or even next few minutes. Let's just dive in, right? 4 hours is a good time frame. 4 hours is a good time frame. I love it, all right? Just look at how clean it is. How clean it is, okay? I will wait until the price is here or here. So basically, these couple ticks, they have signified or validated the strong support on 46.45, right? For if I want to trade Bitcoin, I will be patiently waiting for the price to come down here or hit breakthrough 49,000. Wait for 49900 breakout, or wait for retest of support at 46. So this will be my trading plan for the next few days. I probably will have to wait for a couple hours before the price level comes here, or it might just drop down to retest this bottom. You don't know. I don't know. Anybody who's trying to predict the market will find themselves right or wrong 50% of the time. So it's very random. It's a random market. Don't try to predict the market. Anyways, so if we were to zoom in a little bit, right, to look for even further opportunities to trade, I don't know. Doesn't look like something that I would trade right now. If you were impatient, this might be a better point of entry right here. So basically, the trend is reversed here, and you can get in here and go. But the better plan's right here, because this is a pretty much verified bottom since the last few time, right? But then really, if you're trying to wait for that, there's very few trading opportunities for you to get into the market. So if you're impatient like I am, look for opportunities like this. There might also be another one here, but I'm not too sure. This will be very, very short term. So what I'll do is I will move this up a little bit. So let's see. Okay. I'll wait for the price to come back down. Or even here. I don't know. To be honest, this is not the best price to trade. It's just it's a little bit too high compared to here or even here. I'll just wait. But I'll watch where the price is going when the price hits here. So I'll be watching for the breakout of 49,000, or I'll be patiently waiting for the price to fall down to 46 or to 48.2, depending on my trading time frame. All right. So I have basically 2 trading plans set up now. So that's a drill. Ethereum, wow, amazing, major breakout, major breakout. I love it. There might not be, understanding what Ethereum looks like, or have been just looking at how it goes. I doubt there will be much of a support here. The best we can probably hope for is to wait for the 4-hour. Actually, this is already kind of retest of that, so that's done. I don't know. Well, right now the price is dropping a little bit. I would wait for. Let's look at 1 hour, right? Okay. So it might hit here, or it might not. Let's just set up an alert. And it looks like it might not want to come down here. It might be consolidating here. If it does, for the next few hours, then we'll probably look for opportunities to get in here. If not, if the price comes down here, that will be for the best. So these are the 2 trading plans for me. So either wait for 36, retest, test, or I covered up here, 36.80, okay, or wait for 36.85 retest. So the 36.85 might be on the 15-minute time frame. Yep. So I'll set up an alert here just so that I know. Okay, there we go. Could it be going up like this? Definitely. The market is totally random. It's very difficult to predict what the market will do, but with the methodologies that I'm using, what I'm really trying to do is set up for a plan that goes according to the signals that I have set up previously, and when the signal shows up, I'll just trade. So that's what it is. All right. So that's Ethereum's and BTC. Let's look at KMD. Okay. Komodo. Okay. Do you remember we were talking about getting into Komodo around here? And now it's up here. I wouldn't be treating. Okay. So this could be interesting. Or so. So if you didn't get in here like I did, your next best opportunity, it's probably like this here. So right now, it's a bit, or here. I don't know. This is probably better because it's closer. I'll wait for the price to break through here, retest for support levels here, then get in. All right, so it's 1.2. But I already got in, so I'm not too anxious. So that's 16% right there, 17%. This is the signal that you should look for. Next, ICP. What are we gonna do? I do like how ICP, well, I don't know, like daily time frame is a bit ambiguous. So it's going up and down basically. Up and down, up and down, up and down. If we were to look at 4 hours, so this could be a good support. This could be a good support. Okay. So it's trying to break through, didn't wing. Another breakthrough. It's still in the middle of a 4-hour time frame. I would wait for the price to come back down to 61. So yesterday, when the price was at 61, 62, it was actually pretty good opportunity. Look at this. This is very, very long downward shadow. That's perfect. All right, I'll have to go.